going on, Gearheads, and welcome to Gear Cafe Season 4. Honestly, it sounds so weird saying it out loud, but we're here for an awesome unboxing / review video on a cool product I picked up from Fortnite. If you know nothing about them, they're an awesome accessory and parts specialist, and they're based out of BC, Canada. And honestly, if you have an opportunity to visit their website, go on social media, go and check that out. But we're gonna jump right into it. I know you guys have been enjoying some of our motorcycle content, but we haven't really fully kind of submerged you guys yet. Now, if you guys have not seen the bike, go check out our social media. It's a 1999 Kawasaki ZX-7R. It has about 30,000 kilometers on it now. And honestly, it's been a fantastic bike, and buying little things like this and like my visor and the gloves and stuff like to review and to like show you guys has been so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. So we're gonna jump right into it and see exactly what's in the box. First off, I will say the packaging is spectacular. And the product is huge. All right, there we go. So, as you can see, it is a bag. And I will tell you what kind of bag it is, and I'll put all the details in the description below. This thing is off the chain. It's so flippin' nice. Now, I don't remember the exact model, and I'll put that in the description below so you guys know. But this is a Tunnel Sport tail bag, and it's the tactical version. As you can see, everything, it's got MOLLE on it. It's super nice and sleek. And this thing will hold something like a weekend's worth of clothing or like a laptop, and it's got pouches everywhere. This little pouch actually adds like a bit of back support, but honestly, there's lots of room, and I'm not going to be leaning back on this, but it's kind of nice that it kind of has a form-fitted kind of style of it. And honestly, I think that since on the Ninja the back seat is pretty big, it's going to be kind of cool to see how well it fits, because there is one slightly smaller bag that you can get, and although it's a little big, I'm hoping to do a little more long distance riding, maybe within like a few hours or a day's drive. So let's open this sucker up. Okay. It comes with straps, I guess, to strap everything down. That's quite cool. And on the inside, you've got kind of packaging here. You've got some net packaging kind of here, right? You can kind of maybe keep some stuff that maybe like toiletries if you're gonna take, go for a weekend or something like that. And it's got packaging on the side, like it's got little pockets and compartments on the side. That's pretty sweet. And the straps here can be adjusted, so you can kind of hold it up and it'll hold by itself. So yeah, rain pouch in here, that's kind of cool. MOLLE on the side, here and here. And then packaging, compartments on the side. There's some like rings on the bottom here that pop out. That's quite sweet. So if I want to strap it down even tighter, I think I can use these straps there. And then if you're not using them, little bungee, it'll hold it down. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. So let's see how this sucker fits on the bike, if it fits well. Let's go take a look. So let's just see how she rests on there. Guys, it fits quite cool without strapping anything down. I was worried that there was gonna be a bit of too much gap between the side of the seat and kind of where this goes. But what we can do next is show you how it kind of fits on. I'm going to, obviously, I'm not returning it because it's fantastic. So I'm gonna pop the tag off, I'll change the angle of the camera, and I'll show you how this thing kind of fits on there. I'm gonna have to pop the seat and all that kind of stuff off. So let's take a look. Okay, so let's figure out how this goes on. It's got like little guards. That's kind of cool. So you take a look at that, right? So it's got little pads around that, so it's not gonna scratch anything. give you guys an understanding of exactly what I'm going through here. Connect to the bag. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it, guys. Okay. So you just got to put these straps on pretty tight. Pull them nice and tight so they're not going anywhere. That's like the primary kind of fitment. Then the secondary is these little clips on the side. So let's jump back to the bike. Okay. So let's just kind of fit this on there. Okay. Now it's partially on. Now you got to put these clasps through here. So let's get them started. Okay. I'm going to temporarily hold that so I can see that everything is good. Remember, there's one on the back here. Okay. The back one's on. I got a little bit of movement, so I guess that's what the straps are going to do. The straps are going to kind of go on the side, and they're going to hold it even tighter. But as for this, you know, it seems to do okay. Okay, so on this side, just like the other side, there's these little rings. I assume that ring connects to here. Okay, and it does come in contact with the body panel, but the guard protects it. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I'm going through. This clamp kind of right here is for the top of the bag, okay? And when I put this side on, it's perfectly fine. I kind of put it through there, go around that bracket, it's tight against the fairing, clip it in, pull it tight. Okay, no problem. So that's gonna be basically keeping it nice and tight to the seat. But the other side is the tricky part. I think I have a solution for it, but the tricky part is that when this side is on, and you put the guard, the handle is kind of in the way, but not really, but that's just the design of the bike. This clip doesn't actually go through the hole on the side saddle, and I can't remove this clip and go through because they've sewn in a little anti-slip sort of thing. So I think for the back clamps, I have to cut these off, which is not a big deal. I mean, I can always kind of fold it or sew it shut if I want to permanently keep it on the bike, which I might, but that's the modification I think I have to make it for my bike. And yeah, let's do that and see how it turns out. Okay, modification made. I'm going to have to remove this from there. Let's start off by putting the clip on, put the guard on in front of it there, then slip it through, which we weren't able to do, and then put this sucker through here. Okay, then we can clip it and then tighten it. Okay, luck. But we couldn't do that because this silly thing had a little anti-slip. But it looks like that's where it's gonna stay. Okay, so it's on, it's clamped down, it's buckled down, and I know these are pretty easy to get off, but look, check it out, guys. It's pretty sturdy. She's not going off anywhere. This side's nice and clamped down. And she looks good. Like, honestly, the profile is really nice. And I like it. There you go. So, it does rest on the small of my back, which is kind of nice. I mean, I don't mind being held so, you know, feel a little more comfortable. Half the time, actually, 90% of the time, I'm actually hunched over this way, so I don't actually feel anything. You know, it's got a couple inches behind me there. But if I want to lean back, it does add a little support, you know. Maybe that'll help with like rider fatigue and all that kind of stuff. But I'm not really concerned about it flying off. It's strapped down in every possible angle, and I can carry a bunch of stuff in it. So yeah, I rate this product a good A+. The construction of it is really, really nice. I think I paid about $200 for the tail bag, and it's fantastic. I love it, and I will definitely look into Saddlemen for other kind of bags and accessories that I want to buy. Alright gearheads, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I have a lot of fun making them for you, and we got a lot of cool stuff coming for the bike and for the Fusion. So just as an update, as of today, I have picked up all the parts I need for the Ford Fusion to get it finished, which ended up including a headlight, a fender, a hood, and a front bumper. Now, I didn't want to spend all the money it would have taken to buy all those parts new. I was waiting to find them used secondhand at like an auto wrecker, and after waiting basically a year, I found it. I managed to find all the pieces I need, so in future episodes coming up, we're going to be doing some stuff to the Fusion, stuff to the Explorer, and stuff to the bike. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to show your support for the channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for more notifications. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And we always like seeing comments, so make sure to leave a comment on maybe a cool product you guys picked up for your bikes, or for any recommendations you have for my bike. Anyways, take care and do what moves you.